Have you ever heard a phrase that left you completely puzzled, like rolling in the dough? Imagine Emily, a student, checking her bank account before a study abroad trip, feeling a bit nervous about her funds. She overhears classmates excitedly planning shopping sprees, saying things like, "I'm going to Paris, I am going to be rolling in the dough." Emily feels confused and a little left out, wondering what this strange phrase could possibly mean. Understanding idioms like roll in the dough will not only boost your comprehension, but also make your own communication more colorful and expressive. Now, let's hear a funny story about Ken, a well-meaning international student who once misunderstood this idiom. Ken was invited to a potluck and wanted to impress his friends with his baking skills. He heard the phrase roll in the dough and took it very literally. So he proudly brought a plate of raw dough that he had literally rolled around on, thinking he was being clever. Everyone was confused and a little grossed out, leading to a very awkward and humorous situation. So, what does roll in the dough actually mean? It's an idiom that means to be very wealthy or to have a lot of money. The word dough is a slang term for money, and rolling suggests an abundance or excess of it. It's an informal and vivid way to describe someone who is financially prosperous. You might also hear similar phrases like swimming in money or being loaded. Let's look at Maria's story to understand the correct usage of roll in the dough. Maria, a hardworking entrepreneur, launched a very successful app. After her app was bought by a major tech company, Maria was rolling in dough. She doesn't need to worry about paying her bills anymore. She's really rolling in the dough. With her newfound wealth, she invested in other startups and helped her community. Here are some example sentences using roll in the dough to help you practice. First, ever since he sold his startup, he's been rolling in dough. This means he has a lot of money now because of the sale. Second, after landing that high-paying job, she's been rolling in dough and living a worry-free life. This means she is earning a lot of money and can afford luxuries. Third, their new product is a hit and the company is rolling in dough. This means the company is making a lot of money from the product. To help you remember, imagine Scrooge McDuck swimming in his vault of gold coins. This image perfectly represents someone who is rolling in the dough. Think of spreading dough when baking, covering a large area. Similarly, wealth expands and covers many needs. Let's explore some fun facts about the idiom roll in the dough. The phrase likely originated in early 20th century America, with dough as slang for money dating back even further. This idiom reflects a cultural emphasis on financial success and prosperity, suggesting money leads to a comfortable life. The phrase is still commonly used today in informal settings and has appeared in books and movies. Now, let's look at some related sayings to broaden your vocabulary. Similar idioms include loaded, meaning rich, filthy rich, for extremely wealthy, and well-off, for a good financial position. Opposite idioms are broke, penniless, and strapped for cash, all meaning to have no money. Related idioms include born with a silver spoon, meaning born into wealth, live the high life, for enjoying luxuries, and in the money, for currently having a lot of money. Understanding these helps you see how roll in the dough fits into the bigger picture of English expressions about wealth. Let's discuss common mistakes and how to avoid them when using roll in the dough. A common grammatical mistake is incorrect verb conjugation, like saying he is roll in the dough. The correct way is he is rolling in the dough. Remember to use the correct verb tense and form. Another mistake is taking the idiom literally, thinking it means physically rolling in flour and water. Instead, connect it to the image of abundance and wealth, like Scrooge McDuck. Finally, avoid using it in inappropriate contexts, such as formal business meetings. For formal situations, use terms like financially secure or affluent. Save roll in the dough for casual conversations. Now, let's test your understanding with a quick quiz question. What does it mean to roll in the dough? Is it A, to literally roll around in bread dough? Or B, to be very wealthy? Or C, to work hard in a bakery? The correct answer is B, to be very wealthy. To recap, roll in the dough means to be very wealthy. Understanding idioms like this enhances your English communication skills and helps you understand native speakers better. Now it's your turn. Share your own experiences of hearing or using the idiom roll in the dough in the comments below. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.